First off, I want to tell everybody thanks for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate y'all. Next thing I want to say is the next YouTube video that comes out is one that I never thought I would make, but it's coming out and I'm making it. And it's gonna shock a lot of y'all. So warn yourself. This video, this little mini documentary thing I got coming out that I'm making right now is going to make a lot of people's jaw drop. It's going to make a lot of eyebrows go up like this. And I'll go ahead and tell you, it relates to some of the UFO shit going on, all this whistleblower shit, for sure. I mean, look, I said to myself for a while and I was like, dude, I ain't showing nobody none of this or telling nobody none of this. They're going to think I'm crazy. Well, it's obvious that the whole world is talking about this kind of stuff right now. So when this full mini docuseries comes out, it's not even a docuseries, it's going to be one video. You're going to be able to watch it all the way through, and by the time you get to the end of it, you're going to be like, what the f***? Yeah. Y'all going to see why I ain't getting sidetracked. I don't give a shit about what these people are saying. Even the people who are helping me put this mini documentary thing together to show everybody, like, look, this is why I'm asking for answers from these set of people. Even the people helping me with it, when I'm sitting there airdropping them and showing them all this shit, they're like, what in the f-? They're like, bro, this is the craziest story of a damn musician, like, ever. And they're like, it's crazy that you have all this evidence and proof of what you're saying. Bro, I'm telling you right now, there's a reason there's acting crazy. Be like, whoa, look at me. Upchurch, oh, he's exposed. No, Upchurch ain't nothing. Upchurch is sitting over here looking, wondering why. No, actually, I'm not wondering why you're acting like lunatics. I think I know why. But it's other people are starting to wonder, why are all these people acting like lunatics? Regardless of what anybody says that don't like me, whatever it is they don't like me, regardless of what anybody says that don't like me, most of the shit that I've come out and told y'all has come true like 6 months to a year later, or came out, right? A lot of the stuff. I've never been one to get on here and just bullshit the people who have given me my music career and made my life really good. I've never got on here and bullshit y'all. I never will. I'm telling you right now, whistleblowers that all of you have seen on whether it's national television or alien documentaries that have come out have been to my house. Okay? I have pictures with them sitting at my kitchen table. Not a joke. Some of these whistleblowers that have come to my house, okay? Come to my house, the ones I've took pictures with. Some of them came to my house and straight up was like, hey, I'm so-and-so. And obviously it is them. And I'm like, okay, what's up? We want to show you something. I'm like, okay. So they get this black box thing that looks like a computer monitor, and they hook it up to my TV, and they show me shit. Okay? Some of them have came to my house under different occupations and different names. And I'm sitting there looking at them like, motherfucker, you're in that disclosure documentary. Like, what the f-? And I'm not just saying that to say it. I have proof these motherfuckers have come to my house. Y'all about to see. Here's the thing. I don't even know why. Like, why me? Like, what the fuck? Why me? And you know, some people will be like, oh man, dude, the government's gonna get you for talking too much. The government is asking for whistleblowers to come out. You realize that? The only reason I even chose to come out and make this mini documentary thing that I'm finna make, or am making, is because some shit that Tim Burchett said, and I was like, that happened when they came to my house. Certain people, right? Here's the thing. Based on what I've experienced and what I've seen, I'll tell you this. I don't call it the deep state. I call it the old state. Because most of the encounters I've had with these government officials are all government officials that have either been fired or don't work for our government anymore. There you go. There's a little Easter egg. There's no little thing. You see how they've changed the abbreviation to like UFO to AUP to UAP? I will tell you why they're doing that. They're doing it because the more information they gather about what I think is a said group of people and what they were doing and how they were experimenting on people without the rest of the government knowing, the more information we gather about it, the more the classification changes and the abbreviations change so you can better understand what the it is that's going on. They can't just tell you all at once. It literally has to be pieced together or it's going to be too much for you to understand. But I'll tell you this, the next abbreviation, when it does change again, and I think it will, it'll probably be either EAPs or EABs.
Not a question, but I think a lot of people overlook your lyrics. You're up there with Marshall. You know, I have a feeling that my lyrics are meant to be looked over. Because lyrics that are usually looked over, that don't deserve to be looked over, are looked back on when the time comes. Thoughts on the afterlife. Well, I'll say this, it's called the afterlife, so there must be life after. And if there's life after, and we're living life right now, and some people feel like they lived a past life, maybe those are the people realizing that life happens again. And maybe some people, maybe our consciousness is something that's evolved as well as our physical state. And maybe some people are realizing that they are living a life again and again and again. And maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe we're supposed to evolve to realize that we are in the afterlife. New dad here, any good advice? Be patient with thy woman, for sure. Because you're not going to be in the right mental state either, buddy. She's going to be going through postpartum. Right? You're going to be going through extreme sleep deprivation. Don't worry. It's okay to cry. Just don't put it on Instagram, all right? You going to ride? What do you think?